Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. In this video, I want to warn you about a new type of scam that I've been seeing on social media. These scams use supposedly massive profits with arbitrage as the bait to steal people's cryptocurrencies. The first thing I want to say is that arbitrage is more of a theory than a reality. The concept of arbitrage consists of making a profit by taking advantage of price differences between exchanges. For example, if Bitcoin is priced at $98,000 on MEXC Global and $98,200 on OKX, I could buy on MEXC Global and quickly transfer it to OKX to sell at a higher price. I say it's a theory because in practice, it doesn't work. Today, technology is so advanced that it's very difficult, almost impossible, to find price differences between one exchange and another. When I first got into Bitcoin in 2017, I was able to make some arbitrage trades because the market was very small and just emerging. Cryptocurrency exchanges were still being created, but today it's impossible. Now let's take a look at how the scam works. It all starts with an advertisement video on social media, just like these. I've come across many of them. They very kindly explain a strategy to make profits using Litecoin, and they provide a link to a website where supposedly the Litecoin team has a price list to take advantage of arbitrage. But this is completely fake. The Litecoin team has never created any page for arbitrage. The scammers use Litecoin's name to build trust. They show a list of different prices. Their idea is to get people to buy Litecoin on well-known exchanges and then transfer it to unknown exchanges where, once deposited, your Litecoins are gone forever. You won't be able to withdraw them. To build more trust, the scammers also use Binance's name to explain the strategy. Let's identify the red flags in this type of scam. Red flag number 1. The promise of easy, huge returns. Red flag number 2. The exchanges where you're supposed to deposit to complete the arbitrage cycle are completely unknown. Always verify an exchange's reputation on CoinMarketCap.com before using it. It's best to use exchanges in the top 15, at most the top 20. For example, I promote MEXC Global, which is ranked number 7, a very safe exchange. I would never promote an exchange ranked below the top 15. The exchanges mentioned in the scammers' videos don't even appear on CoinMarketCap. Imagine how dangerous it is to deposit your funds there. Red flag number 3. The YouTube channel itself. At first glance, it looks like a decent channel with thousands of subscribers. But if you check, you'll see that it has no original content. It only has playlists with videos from other channels. They follow the same pattern. They use videos from legitimate channels to gain victims' trust. Here, we can see 2 playlists, one from TradingView's official channel and another from Binance's official channel. The video they use to attract victims is hidden so that the channel appears legitimate at first glance. The only way to see that video is when they promote it. So now you know, whenever you see these types of videos promising huge arbitrage profits, stay away as fast as you can. If you found this information useful, please give me a like and share it with others so we can shut down these scammers who are hurting the crypto ecosystem. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.